video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Mexc to Binance. So after you open up your mobile phone, go to the Binance first. So after you open up your Binance like this, so the first thing to do, tap on this add funds button. Now go to this on chain deposit. So the next thing to do, now go and search for USDT. Now tap on the USDT. So the next thing to do, you tap on this network and choose the network you want to use. I want to use this BSC network. So now here is the address. So now tap on this option to copy the address. After you copy the address of the USDT from your Binance account, now close the Binance app. So now open up now the Mexc application. After you open the Mexc app like this, so the next thing to do in the Mexc, now go to this option, wallets in the Mexc. So after you go to the wallet in the Mexc, so now tap on this option, withdraw. So tap on this withdraw. After you select the withdraw, so in the Mexc, now select this one, USDT. Here is it. If you can't find the USDT from the list, tap on the search and search for USDT in this option. After you select the USDT, so now tap on this option on chain withdrawal. So tap on this confirm button. So if you tap on this on chain withdrawal, so from there Mexc will allow you now to paste in the address. After you paste in the address and specify the amount, from there you'll be able now to just tap on withdraw button. From there your USDT will be withdrawn. And that's it, guys. Because I have already now changed my password, that's why Mexc now it will not allow me to withdraw within this time. So just tap on this withdraw on chain and paste in the address you copy. So after you paste in the address you copy in this option and select the network, specify the amount and tap on withdraw button. So by tapping on this confirm button, so from there your USDT will be withdrawn into or will be transferred into your Binance account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.